Hey, man, come on in, bro. Right. Oh, please allow me to. You a guest in my house, man. Shit, make yourself at home. Hey, are those Jabos?
Yeah.
Shit, I'm gonna be sporting them, man. Hey, it's good to have you up in here, too. Hey, I'm gonna finish getting my swole on right, so you just have a seat, man.
All right, cool.
Hey. Make sure your ass is on that plastic. Look, Trey, so we not bumping heads? Man, if you're gonna be staying here, you're gonna have to follow some rules. Which is no smoking my shit, don't let me catch you drinking my shit, and if you bring any of them hoes up in here, make sure I fuck them first. And, you gonna have some chores.
Chores?
That's right, chores. Nigga, this ain't gonna be no free ride. You gonna have to keep track of my Matchbox cards. You got to organize that damn Sega Genesis cartridges. I want you to do my homework since you wanna be such a smart ass. After that, in the nighttime, I want you to cut the hair on my balls.
Hey, hold up. Can I ask you a question, Pop?
Yeah.
What you gonna be doing?
Hey, look, nigga, I ain't got to do nothing. My mama take care of me. Look, I know you think I'm being hard.